Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, i-share na ko update lang ta karon sa ato ang motor guys, no. Ato ang Euro Danhari 150, color red and black. So bago lang ka sa akong channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button guys, para mas updated ka sa akong mga bagong upload ng mga video. So share na ko sa inyo karon ang ato ang bagong LED light, LED light na. So mao na itong bagong accessories sa ato ang Euro Danhari 150 na. So pa-welding na guys, mo ni ang ato ang bagong LED LED light, para purpose ani guys, para pag may kasugata ta nga hayag igsuga ato aning pasigaon, para mas di ta mapili sa kahayag, no. So mo ni ang ato ang LED light, no. So mura na to ang ato ang update atong bago sa atong motor, no. So dahilan na ako tapuson ng vlog. This is short video lang guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts,
Together forever.